Hello, friggin' friends, and welcome back to Parish Gardening. Today, I am finishing the work on my stream, like, the little river thing. Okay. This is what I'm starting with. I have the portion near my porch done. There's a piece of wood on it because it rained and I didn't want it all to wash off just yet. Also, I have the long ways that needs work. I need to dig it out so there's space for the hose, and also so there's a slope, and then there's the end of my path there because it's the end. Nobody wants to go down the end. So once again, this is the area near my porch. It's done. Like I said, there's wood on it to protect it for now from the rain. I still need to put a little rock path right there at the gutter. You see it? How it's vulnerable? So right here, you see it? It looks okay, I think. Here at the end of the rocks, I put a little slope, so that way the two areas can connect, because that is ultimately the point, for the water to go down and reach the plants at the end that are constantly in the sun. So here on the long ways, I have dug out some more of the trench, enough for the hose to stay down, and also enough to make a slope go all the way down, all the way down. And as you can see, there's also a string attached, going from this end to that end. You see it? String? Okay. That's like a level, so that way I can connect the low point from the high point, and I know where things are supposed to go. And back to this picture, it's gonna come up 3 more times. You can see the lava rock here. Don't judge me. But do you see the big rock? And there's also some more in these other pictures. I use the big rocks as a marker so I can know where to fill up the space with more rocks. I did that because it's cheaper to fill up the space with rocks than it is with dirt. And I also have lots of lava rocks still laying around. So, there's a few birds going on there. And this is how I filled up. Well, there's a bunch here in the beginning. Then there's less here in the middle. And at the end, there's no more. I didn't need anything there. I needed a space for the hose and everything. And in here, you'll see how uneven everything is with the rock. So I took this area and I put the 1x6, and I used it as a stepping, so I could compress everything, find out where it's uneven, fill in the gaps with dirt. And I did this until it wasn't wobbly anymore. You don't want any wobbly wood. And that's kind of how I knew it was done. And this is what it looked like when I was done pressing down the dirt, and I put the mesh on top. The mesh is supposed to help me keep a layer in between the dirt and the rocks, so that way it won't get dirty. After that was all nice and done, I put down a layer of rock. Then I rebalanced it with the 2x4. Remember, this is a 1x6 area that I've leveled out, so that gives me a border that I could fill in with more rock. With the 2x4 still in place, I put the 1x6 on top. I also did it to the little corner there, so I could protect the nice area and keep it all nice and pretty. And to finish it, I topped everything off with dirt. That filled in all the nice edges. And hopefully it keeps everything in place. And that was basically it. I mean, basically, it took like about a couple hours. But here you have like a before and after of what it looks like with dirt. Just the rocks without the dirt. And then no rocks. Just, yeah, it's a good image. That's it. This is the whole pathway done. Like I said, it took a couple hours. It seems simple, but it's always a giant pain, especially if you're doing it the way I am, which is wrong. That's it. Thanks for watching. Have a flowerful day. Bye.